Welcome to Cristomar. Come on in.
Cristomar is a family-owned business serving Metro Atlanta and the Southeast since 1999, providing complete care for Oriental Persians and all types of area rugs. The services we provide are freshwater deep rug cleaning, custom cut rug padding, all types of repair services, moth treatments, and our rug consignment shop. We specialize in pet urine treatments.
Cristomar has a very thorough cleaning process for your rug. We start at the dusting machine, which removes all the dried dust and dirt. Then we take the rug to the wash floor, where we wash the rug front and back with the shampoo that is made for the natural fibers. Then we put the rug in the wringer, which squeezes out 70 to 80% of the water. Next, the rug goes through the centrifuge, which is like a spin cycle for the rug, and takes all but 3 to 5% of the water out of the rug. From there, the rug is hung in the dry room, where it dries in only a few hours.
We provide pickup and delivery services, or you can bring your rug to the shop in Alpharetta for a 15% discount on your rug cleaning.
So give us a call or stop by. We'd love to see you here at Cristomar.